Oh, hello there. Thank you for coming back to another gig log. Yeah. Anyway, so today we've got what we call the casual package from Crown Entertainment. That includes DJ, MC, event host, whatever you want to call it, uplighting, and a monogram. So we've already done one of these gig logs, but the card absolutely crashed, and that's when we premiered the brand new hoverboard control system. If we've got any B-roll from that, in which I think we do, if we've got some of that, I'm gonna drop it in right here. So yeah, that was the last time we sent out the casual package. Between the classic and casual, we sell more of those than anything, like I mentioned in the last gig log. So today's room is a pretty good sized room. It's an old military armory, so super big concrete walls. So we need to take out a little bit extra sound. We're going to be rolling with the EKX single 18s. We're going to have two of them. We've actually got them out because we just got done shooting a demo video for one of our new channel sponsors, AGI Pro DJ. So I know you guys, a lot of you guys probably already shot with them. We shot a demo on the ultimate support subwoofer poles that they sent over to us. I think they're going to work out well. They sent a pair of air powered ones and then a pair of the Telelock ones that we're actually going to be taking to the gig today. So if you want to check out that product review, I created that content exclusively for them for their YouTube channel. So if you want to check that out, I will link it up here in the corner, or I will put it down in the description. I do believe that they're going to hook us up with a discount code for all the guys that come to them from the channel. So hey, Woopig looking out for all the subscribers. But anyway, we need to get this stuff out of the way, get it pushed up to the door so we can load the trailer and get on the road.
Aside from my soul,
Alright, so we are live on location, and we've got the Ultimate Sport Telelock subwoofer poles, and these things are fantastic. As opposed to my other speaker poles that I had, these screw in, but they also go up significantly higher, way higher. And then we've got the ability to raise, lower, all that stuff with the speaker itself on the pole. As you can see, it's pretty steady. It's not going anywhere. It's not floating around up here on top. It's super secure. I would trust this to go up another 2 feet if we needed to, but we're 6 foot. You know, I'm 6 foot, and it's right underneath my head, so it's in the perfect area to play it. So yeah, all in all, I give these a thumbs up. First time having them out. We're gonna take them probably every time we take these out, which is great. Ultimate Support, great company. I personally have their products, so I have no problem believing in this guy. And I've had my Ultimate Support stands, the ones that you saw back at the shop. I've had those for several years, no issues out of them. So this one's definitely a thumbs up.
there goes a sight from my soul. There goes a sight, there goes a sight. Now there goes a sight from my soul. There goes a sight from my soul. There goes a sight, there goes a sight. There goes a sight from my soul. I think it's all angels just walk by. There goes a sight from my soul. There goes a sight, there goes a sight. Now there goes a sight from my there goes a sight. There goes a sight, there goes a sight. Now there goes a sight from my soul.
You recording?
Yeah.
Oh. So, we are back at the office. We had 4 different weddings going on today. 4. Not 1, not 2, not 3, but 4. And we had a lighting rental in Searcy. So, pretty busy day for us. But all in all, it was good. We forgot something. We forgot a pretty crucial part of the lighting package for today. Hold for the monogram. Yeah, so I had to call a good friend of mine, Stubby, as we like to call him. Luckily, he was not that extremely busy, and he was able to bring it to us. But had we forgotten it and maybe even been 30 minutes behind schedule, it'd have been a catastrophe. One thing that did come in handy was those Ultimate Support Telelock subwoofer poles. They worked out awesome. I'm definitely not using my old ones any longer. I mean, they work just as good as the stands, which I already have. I didn't really expect anything less, but I did not expect for it to go as well as it did with those poles. My old ones from another manufacturer, they're just the old screw-on with the cup on the top or on the pole on the top. You raise the whole thing up at once, and I'm not that old, but your man's is getting a little old. So this definitely made a big difference in the simplicity and the speed of setup and teardown. And once again, thanks again to AGI Pro DJ. If you want to support them and also support me, you need to go down to the description below. I'm going to try to get us a coupon, hookup code, discount code, whatever you want to call it. I'm actually going to put that in here. We'll put that in once we get that thing approved. So you can go there, you can save some cash, support a DJ company that supports DJs. They're great people. Kevin will get you taken care of. Call the number, and you're going to get everything that you need. So that is the new channel sponsor for now, at least for the time being. Be on the lookout for more great things coming our way via AGI. I'm talking, hopefully here in the works we'll have a lot more product reviews, maybe some lighting demos, whatever. If there's a new product out on the market that you want to have reviewed, put it down in the comment box below. That way those guys can see what you guys are looking for, and we'll get it in, we'll review it, and then hopefully we'll be able to give you a discount code on that product. Once again, thank you for subscribing. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe, hit that notification bell. I'm trying to get to 5,000 subscribers by the end of the year, and I need a little help. I got 1,000 and some change. Once we hit that 5,000 subscriber mark, we're doing a giveaway, a big giveaway probably. I'm talking, we might do a speaker giveaway. We might do like a 12 or something. You guys that need another speaker for your ceremony rigs, something. But it's not going to be, we're not giving away gift cards. We're giving away something that you guys can use. So be on the lookout for that. If you're not subscribed, subscribe. Tell your friends to subscribe. Ways you can get a hold of me: DJ Woopig, DJ Woopig, DJ Woopig, DJ Woopig. Snapchat, Instagram. Instagram's my #1. Be sure to follow the stories. Snapchat, I'm not that guy. Facebook, I like to keep that personal. What are you not supposed to do?
Oh, don't call him.
Don't call me, okay? I know it's like a joke, but it's not a joke. Don't call me. You see this here? if you call me, I will hang up on you. I'm not gonna hang up on you, but I'll tell you, hey, shoot me an email. So my email is djwoopig@gmail.com, and I will answer any questions that you got. So your task for the next video, or for this video, you need to tell me what you want reviewed, so we can get those products in from AGI Pro DJ. You're supposed to tell your friends to subscribe. You stay subscribed so we can do this 5,000 subscriber giveaway, giving away something big. All in all, it went pretty good. So the next one, I think we need to do something in the shop. I got a Q&A lined up. We might do some lighting stuff in the shop. Yeah, so until next time, we're out of here.
There goes a sight from my soul.